Okay, welcome back. We have all our cases in now. Put them in the description if I haven't already. So let's go through what we have so far. We have our imports, the parse exception here. Just throws it, allows us to run. It won't let us do it if not. Calendar allows us to adjust the date. Date allows us to see the distance between two different dates. Time unit allows us to convert because date is in milliseconds. We need it in other forms. Simple date format allows us to input and output in month, month, day, day, year, 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 or other forms. And J option pane will let us come up with pop up with cool boxes. We began our calendars, the today calendar, the period calendar, and the due calendar. We have the date, today's date we set in the date form. We set our simple date formats. We inputted, so we had a window pop up with the input of the date that we want, the date of the last period. We parsed that as a date, so it was a string. We set it as a calendar object. We set the due date as a calendar object of the period, only to immediately change it by 280 days, which is what we needed the calendar for at all. And then we converted it right back to a date. We then calculated the distance between the today's date and the period date. We then converted the milliseconds that it was calculated in into days. We converted the days into weeks. Then we said if the weeks are, or the days are less than 7, show a menu or show a message. If the days are greater than 280, show a message. And we have our big old switch statement here. And the last one is a default, just in case there's some weird message, I don't know. Now we're going to finish up home stretch. String final date, we'll call it. Now we're going to convert with our second string formatter. We're going to convert the due as date. We'll scroll back up. So we're going to be formatting into a string something in date form with the SDF out. The SDF out is this, which puts it in that neat form here. And the due as date was right after we switched it over, but we added the 280 days and then we converted it back to a date. So this is what we're converting to a nice sentence-like string. Okay, now we're going to, we already declared the to right. We're going to put the whole statement together. Your baby is due on or around plus final date right now. Right now, you're about weeks is what we call the number of weeks. Weeks pregnant, and your baby is the size of thing. Now we want to actually display this in a pop-up window. So that's a J option pane, show message dialog, null, and the string is to right. Now we need to close Close. Okay. I'm seeing no errors. I believe we are done. Let me go back down, just in case you weren't done. That's the final string. Run file. (11/01/2015). Size of a papaya. I guess I need a space. Size of space. Let's try it again. Let's do 09/10/2015. Baby is due on June 16th, 29 weeks pregnant. Size of a butternut squash. Alright, I believe we have completed our mission. Congratulations, I hope you had fun. Let me know if you have any questions.